Hi all. In this video I will cover one common error that almost everyone know, but still there are few people who are facing issue. Those especially who are learning SAP they have problem to solve this error. So I will tell you how to solve the period closing error while doing Migo. So I'm just showing, I'm taking one purchase order here. So I have run T code Migo and I put purchase order. Then I put quantity and all required details in purchase and depending on purchase order in Migo screen and just check. So this is the error, system giving me this error that posting period for is not possible for this company code for next month. So it's open till 2021 March, but it's not open for 2021 April. So I will show you how to solve this error. So just open another screen. Once new screen is open, run T-code MMPV. So that is the T-code to close previous period and open new period. Then company code. So what is my company code? It's TT01. So what I will do, I will put my company code here. Then what period I want to open? So I want to open 04 for year 2021. Then just select this close period only and execute. So now period month this is open and for this company code. You can also check with table. So table for checking posting period is MARV. So run T code AC16N MARV and put your company code here and just check, execute it. So you can check here about posting period details for this company code. So here you can see this is the company code, this is year and this is the period. Now it's opened by this user and this is the date, so you can check detail. Now I will show you if system allow me to post this purchase, this goods receipt. Okay, so I will close and I will check again. So I'm running T code again Migo, then provide same purchase order and press enter. Then again all required details and now check. So now that error has been solved. So document is posting period error.